After submitting this, we need to implement the post method, so that removing footer, we don't need footer. Let's go to pins.js file and let's implement the post function. Here need to copy, here paste and name it post, second bracket, first bracket. Here we need to get the all text box value and save it in the database. Let's initialize few things first. We need path so that we can use this path to place the file in the exact folder. And here we need the pin model so that we can create the pin object and save in the MongoDB database. This pin directory is previous directory /model/pin folder. Here we will see the pin, this pin model. Okay, pin already initialized. Let's create a pin object, variable pin equal new pin, first bracket. So we initialized. So here pin dot title we will get from request body dot title. The form tag, after submitting, we will get this title from that create new page. Copy this line and paste couple of times so that we can map other properties like description, path, username, etc. Description, here need to specify username, and this username request.body.username will get is save. This value is always false when the user create a pin at initial time. If request don't have any file, then we don't need this operation. We need to throw error, because when a user try to create a pin, we need to force the user to give a picture of the pin. Anyway, we specified required attribute in that tag. Here is specifying a variable let sample file request files dot, and the file name we specified in that page is sample file. That's why we write sample file. Let file name should be a unique number so that we can upload so many pictures in unique number. Otherwise it will throw exception. That's why we need unique number. So math.random.toString 26.slice 2. This will create digits of random number, and the extension we are giving .jpg. So any image you will upload, the extension will be .jpg. So here we are initializing the path. So here path is current directory /public/ the public folder we already created. Here need to specify a folder files. Here all image will be saved. So that's why we are giving this file with file name This is the file path, and we are storing this path string inside that model column, like table. We are saving this path. The path will be /files plus file name. So this is the pin path. Let's need to move this file from client machine to the server. So sample file dot move mv, then need to specify path dot callback function. It's success or not, we will detect error is the callback. If error, then need to throw exception, and if success, then that means the file upload is success. So if error, return response dot status 500 dot send as error in the client machine. Let's save the pin to the database. Pin.save. The callback function. The error, if any error occurred. So if error, then need to throw exception, throw the error directly. That means it can't save the pin in the database of MongoDB database. If success, then need to render to the index page where the pin list will be displayed. That means after creating a pin, we can see that pin in that pin list page. So the path is pins /index. Let's create a folder name files inside public folder. Here all image will be placed, and pins index don't have any route, need to specify a route so that it can redirect to this page. App.get, this is get request, and /pin/index, and the callback function parameter will be rec res and next. Here need to render the pin, need to find. Okay, just here we are querying the all pin from the MongoDB database, whatever already have in the pin table. So here we are querying all pin, pin.find, and empty parameter means we are querying all pin. If here the callback function will return the pin list, that means pins. Let's render this. Scrolling down, pins index. This page we need to pass pins list. Let's pass this list of model object. Here write pins. These pins name need to be mapped in the view engine page pins. At the end need to specify colon, semicolon. Let's save it. This page already created. Pins. Okay. Implementation completed. After creating pin, we can see redirected to the pin list page. Let's giving title, description, and created by an username, and try to submit. We need to give of image, then it can submit. After submitting this page, here you can see the pin list, but need to specify pin. Let's see the database to check the record is saved or not. Refreshing the page after collection, you can see the one pin already added to the pin. This is the value we already gave. You can see and check. This is the path is saved, username, column, value. So everything is okay.